Picked up this Honda Element about 4 months ago. Really loved the car. Really didn't like the state the seats were in. When I bought it, I thought I wasn't going to keep it, but I decided I was going to keep it. I really like it, so I looked at what I could do about the seats, and I wanted to fix the seats, not just put a set of covers over the top. So I went to leatherseats.com, picked up a set of leather seats from the replacement covers from them. And yeah, this is the replacement covers after I fitted them. I'll post another video of how hard they were to fit. This is the front seat, just zooming in on the driver's seat a bit here. Were Yeah, I didn't get them professionally fitted. I looked at Cat Skin as well, but decided to go with leatherseats.com because they were cheaper, because they'd let them fit them myself. I also talked to one of their installers locally, and they said that provided I didn't lose any pieces from the seat, they would be happy to, if I couldn't get them on, they'd be happy to fit them. Um, it took me quite a while to fit the seats. It took probably the back seats first because I don't have those in as often, and I didn't mind if they were a bit wrinkled. And I think the first one took me about 4.5 hours. Second one took me a couple of hours. First driver's seat took me about 3 hours. Second one took me about an hour and a half. The hardest thing was learning to put the hog rings in properly. It only took a few tools. Taking the seats apart just took a set of wrenches and then a set of bolt cutters, mini bolt cutters, to cut the existing hog rings. I made a couple of mistakes and put hog rings in the wrong place, so those were useful for cutting those as well. Um, yeah, it's mechanical work. I do my own oil changes, kind of that level of mechanic, and it was fine. There was nothing hard. It was just a lot of focus, looking at when I took the seats apart, how to put them back together again, and stretching the covers over was just, yeah, it was hard work, but it was, very rewarding to have done it myself actually, and having the safety net there that I knew that I could just get someone else to uh, to do them if I got stuck was great. And these are the back seats. They're not in. I don't use them much. I mostly use the car like a van for bikes and things. So this is what they look like. Again, this first one I did, so a few wrinkles where I didn't quite get it to fit right. I didn't quite put a hog ring in the right place. But I think I enjoy them more because I did them myself. So I'm really pleased I did. And then this is the back of the seat. A little harder to handle with leather on because you've got to be a little bit more careful not to scuff them. And I probably didn't need to do the back seats, but they were only $200 more to get the back covers too. So I got them and fitted them. And yeah, no regrets at all, really. I would definitely have paid. I can't remember what I paid. That's like $850 or $900 for the whole set. I would definitely have paid $1,000 more, way more than that, for a Honda Element with leather seats, especially perfect brand new leather seats. So yeah, happy with my choice.